We've all been there. You're standing at the keypad, your mind goes blank, and you enter the wrong PIN. If it happens once or twice, it's usually okay. But if you enter the wrong PIN 3 times, most banks will automatically block the card. This is a security measure, and it's actually a good thing. It's designed to stop a stranger from just guessing their way into your account. Sometimes the ATM might even keep the card entirely. If this happens to you, please don't feel like you've done something wrong. It's just the system being extra cautious. All you need to do is contact your bank as soon as you can. They can usually reset your PIN or get a new card sent out to you. The best advice? Never guess. If you aren't 100% sure of your PIN, just stop. Take a breath and call the bank. It's much easier to reset a PIN than it is to replace a swallowed card.